this microphone suspension or microphone arm that I'm very excited to start using. I just went and picked it up from the post office this morning and I was going to build and assemble it and try it out. This is, I don't remember who the Amazon seller is. I know there's like 100 different sellers that have these. That's our mount. Oh, and there's a better look at the mount for you. So that basically clamps onto your desk. That is our, oh, and the thing about this thing, why I picked this one, because it comes with this little adapter. I'll show it to you. So basically the purpose of this is, it is an adapter that is specific to the Blue Snowball and the Blue Yeti microphones. Then there's also, if you're using a different kind of microphone, it would go in here. Possibly get one of those in the future, but this is the mount for that type of microphone. Looks like that, and that's what it looks like when it's holding the microphone. I'm sure the day will come when I'll want to upgrade my microphone, but as for now, the Snowball works. I like the Snowball, so I ordered this specifically because it comes with the adapter that will hold a Blue Snowball or Blue Yeti. Alright, and there's our suspension. Alright, this is pretty steady, which I'm very happy about. Having this here now, very helpful. It can only go forward and backward, so basically bends like a literal arm. I'd love to get one day that's a little more omni-flexible, but I mean, this is totally good to start with. Anyways, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next unboxing video.